Hello everyone. In this Power BI session, we will see how we can create our first Power BI report and dashboard. As in the previous session, we have already seen what is Power BI service and what is Power BI desktop. Also, we have installed our Power BI desktop in our local system. So in this tutorial, we will create our first Power BI report in Power BI desktop and then we will publish this report to Power BI service, and there we will create our first Power BI dashboard. So for this, we will navigate to our local system. So from here, we will search for Power BI desktop as it is showing in my recent search. So we will click on this. It will open the Power BI desktop in your local system. So create a report in Power BI desktop. We need some data, right? So from where we will get this data? So I will give you one option to search the financial Excel sheet. So for this, we will search for Power BI. So in the first, you can see the Microsoft Learn documentation. Here you can get the financial sample Excel workbook for Power BI by clicking on it, and you can go down and click on download. So download it directly. You can directly download the financial sample Excel workbook. From here, you can get your financial sample data, which we will use this financials Excel workbook, create our report, and also in dashboard. So now let's navigate to the Power BI desktop. So here we will click on cross, and here you can see the two option to get the Excel workbook. As I have already downloaded the Excel workbook, so here you can see by clicking on the Excel workbook also I can click the financial sample data, else click on get data. From here you can see all the data sources available in Power BI desktop. From here also you can click on Excel workbook and you can select your sample data. So select the financial sample and then click on open. So once it get connected to the sample data, so the navigator window will open. Here you can see the two tables which is available in the Excel workbook. So you can click on the financials. So here you can see the preview of your data. And here you can see the three button, that is load. By clicking on load button, it will directly load to your Power BI desktop. If you click on transform data, it will redirect you to the Power Query window where you will transform or clean your data if your data needs some transformation. If you don't want to use this data, and if you by mistakenly you have selected this data, then you can click on cancel. So here in this case I will click on load button. So here you can see our financial Excel data is loading to the Power BI desktop. Also, you can connect to the multiple data sources by using Power BI desktop. So for this also you can go to the get data and you can select other data. Let's say you want to select text, CSV, or you can get the data from the web. So you can use these data sources. These are the common data sources. Now our table is added to our Power BI desktop. So in the report view, as I have before I have told you, in the report view we will create our report. In the table view, you can see the whole table which we have loaded to our Power BI desktop, and the model view, we can create relationship between the tables. So as we have only one table right now, so we will create the report. So to create the report, we will select the visuals from the visualization pane. So select the stack bar chart, and we can increase or decrease the size of the visuals and expand the table chart for cells based on the country. So for this we will select the cells field and the country field. So it will automatically take the cells field in the x-axis and the country field in the y-axis. So here you can see the report. Here you can see the chart for some of the cells by country. Based on the country, it will show the cells. formatting pane, you can format your visual. For example, I will go to the general option. From here, I will select the effect. Here I will click on the visual border. It will add the border to the visual. Similarly, you can add other also. Let's say I will go to the format. Then here you can see the data labels option. By clicking on the data label option, you can see here the data labels are enabled. So next we will take one area chart. Here we will show the gross sales based on the product. So for this, we will select the gross sales. It will take automatically to the y-axis and then we will select the product. For this also you can format the visuals. Let's say go to the general, click on the effects. You can click on visual border. If you want to provide shadow also, you can add shadow to the visual. If you go to the visual option, you can enable the data label. It will look more realistic and more data analysis will be easier. So this is how we can create our Power BI report. Now let's publish this report to Power BI service. So before that, we need to save our report. Control S, or you can go to the file option and you can click on save. So here we will provide the report name. Let's say financial. This will save your report in our local system. From here you can select the location and then click on save. Once you save the report, you can click on publish button. From here you can select your workspace. My workspace is the default workspace and all other workspace which I have created in our Power BI service. So here I will select the Power BI course workspace and then click on select. Now here you can see it is publishing the Power BI report to the Power BI service. Once it gets published, it will show you the success message, and by clicking on open financial report.pbix file, we can open our file in the Power BI service. So click on it. Here you can see the report which is now hosted in the Power BI service. Now we will see how we can create Power BI dashboard, right? So for this, to create Power BI dashboard, we need to pin the visuals to the Power BI dashboard. So which is also known as tiles. So click on pin visual option. Here you have two options. To either you will add the visual to the existing dashboard which is already created in your Power BI service. If it is not created, then you can create a new dashboard. So this time I will create one new dashboard. Let's say finance dashboard and then click on pin. So here you can see the pin to dashboard. So you can go to the dashboard. Here you can see we have created our first dashboard. By clicking on this visual, it will redirect you to the report from where this visual is came from. Let's say you have multiple pages. So from each pages you have added the visual to your dashboard, and by clicking on the visual you can redirect to the pages which is in the report. So this is how we can create Power BI report and Power BI dashboard. That's all for today. We will see you on next video. Thank you so much.